I feel I have to say something about this one. Let's get this out of the way. I talk funny. If you can't understand me, send a message. I'll type it out for you. But this one requires me to speak. I got a little package in yesterday, and well, I've just been tore up about it ever since. My own aNueNue Greenbird. All right. I'm just going to play a little, and I'm still trying to figure this one out. I feel like it's got so much sound in it that I don't know how to get to yet. So let's just hear what a beginner sounds like on an aNueNue Greenbird. Yeah. I think I'll just stop there before I mess up.